Welcome back. Now, in addition to the Shopify store that you are creating and maintaining, you also have additional sales channels that Shopify makes available to you. Once you've had your first sale, you can then use the Shop application, which allows you to have access to a mobile app selling experience. You can also use the Facebook connection. What you can do is you can click Update Sales Channel. You can choose one or all of the Facebook marketing elements to work with inside of your Shopify store. For example, assuming that you wanted to set up your Facebook Messenger, you can connect your Facebook account. You can then connect your Shopify store, and you can connect your Facebook Business Manager. You can then connect your page. Once you've done that, you can then add Shopify Inbox. And what you can then do is interact inside of your Messenger using the elements of your Shopify account. You can also set up a Facebook shop. And so you can use any of the elements of Facebook by making a connection between Facebook and your Shopify application. You can also add in a buy button from your Shopify account to your website. For example, you can click this button that says Create a Buy Button. You can create a product buy button or a collection buy button. And you can choose which collection you are going to use in terms of your buy button. You can then click Select. Once you determine which elements you're going to use, you can then click Next. And you can then copy the code, and you can add the code to your website. You can publish the code in your website, and you'll then be able to see the code in your website. And your buy button will then be visible on your personal website. And you can connect your site to Google. What you'll do is to connect your Google account. And once you're properly connected, you can add your product to the product listings in Google, as well as the Google Shopping tab. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.